The IXL Continuous Diagnostic is a great way to find out what your students know and what they are ready to learn next. Getting started is easy. The first thing you'll want to do is have your students pinpoint their diagnostic levels. Have students visit the diagnostic arena and answer questions until they have pinpointed levels in all strands. For math, this usually takes about 75 to 80 questions. For English Language Arts, it will take about 55 to 65 questions. Your students can pinpoint their levels in one sitting, or you can spread it out over the course of a few sessions. Once your students have pinpointed levels, you'll have accurate information on how each learner is doing in critical math and ELA strands. Each of the diagnostic levels you see corresponds to a grade level. A score of 600, for example, means that a student is ready to begin working on 6th grade skills. IXL uses insights from the diagnostic to create a personalized action plan for each one of your students. These skills are the perfect ones to help your students close gaps and build on their knowledge. Your students can click directly on these recommended IXL skills to start making progress right away. One of the best parts of the continuous diagnostic is that it really is continuous. With regular work on IXL skills and just 10 to 15 questions per week in the diagnostic arena, your students can keep their diagnostic levels up to date. This means that you'll always have up-to-date information on your students' knowledge and just the right IXL skills to help them grow.